Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Today, just a brief overview. Yesterday was already a sawmill video, so today I won't do just sawmilling every day all day. I might do it tomorrow. You never know. I tried to knock out some logs out of the ground here. That one I debarked and I still can't get it to budge. That is frozen so hard to the ground. But I got some little ones and I cut it to 4.5 foot, and I got some siding for my watchtower. So I've got 11. This one is thinner, but that's fine. I did about 3/4 inch, little over 1/2 inch. And I got 11 pieces of siding they're about 6 inches long. So with overlap, 5.5, 6 inches. So I've got 11 pieces of siding for my watchtower. I've got a 2x4 and a 2x6 and a 2x2 over here. That's 2 halves of a log that I broke free. And then I took a really little log. Oh look, there's an ant. How weird. Oh wow. There's a queen mother ant. Look at that. So, that's a surprise. I took a small log and I got 2 2x4s and a 1x4 out of it. A little bit thin in the middle, but whatever. I'll figure something out with it. I gotta get all this stickered yet. And I managed to get the cover of the carport out today and laid out to dry. So that hopefully will go on there. The original tie downs are gone. They biodegraded in the first 3 months. And the carport has been stuck under the snow and ice, and I had to chisel and chip and pry all day. I picked at it all day. It was, I don't know, it was supposed to be 50, but I think it was warmer. And I worked on this. So, over here, I knew there was something. I have really something cool. This is something I did a review on a while back. That's the 60-watt e-scene solar panel. And I've had that hooked up to a homemade charger box. I took a charge controller and hooked up some stuff so it's universal now. And I've had the battery charging all day in the sun. I don't know what I'm getting now, probably not much. 0.6 amps. I don't know why the button on this isn't exactly, I guess it doesn't show watts. Whatever. A little over 1/2 amp, so 24, 20, 25, 26 watts coming in. So that's been keeping the battery charging while I run the crane today on my sawmill. So pretty cool stuff. Anyway, I'm liking it. I'm loving it. I'm getting more comfortable with it. I now know exactly how many turns I got to make for a certain thickness of board, and I'm getting used to the feel of it. Well, that's it. Really brief video. It was a relaxing day with the family, and picked at this on and off. I was going to call it a night, but we actually took the time and put the carport up today. I am happy we got that done. I still have to get some string for this end, but I wanted to share that with you because I just got called in for dinner. Look at that. Everything's going to be inside, sheltered. I'll still tarp the mill anyway, though, at night. But I am happy. The crane is going to be absolutely protected now. Everything's going to be out of the weather. And I might even put drop-down sides on for when it's not in use. And at least ends for sure. I'm going to have ends on it. Then I can work in all weather. Isn't that amazing? Well, guys, I gotta wrap it up. The sun is getting low and dinner's ready. And I still gotta put some cement blocks down, but that's it for this video. I hope you liked this video as much as I did. It was a blast. It was an awesome, awesome day. Well, thanks for watching, and please do subscribe. You never know what we're gonna do tomorrow at the homestead. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. A happy, happy day on the homestead today.